Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome to Dubai International Airport. Local time is approximately 2:53 in the afternoon. We do ask that you remain seated with your seatbelt security fastened about you. It'll take the captain just a few moments longer to taxi the aircraft to the gate, then to turn off seatbelt sign. Until he's done so, we ask that you keep the aisle clear of all carry-on luggage. You may not use your cellular phones. Other electronic devices must remain off. Once we are parked at the gate and the seatbelt sign has been turned off, check your seating area, overhead bins, and closets for personal belongings. Extra care should be used once again when opening overhead bins. Items tend to shift during landing and may fall out. As all passengers must clear U.S. immigration, collect your baggage, clear U.S. customs, have your documents ready and available for the immigration and customs officers. Connecting gate information can be found on the TV monitors located on the way to the immigration hall or outside in the terminal outside the customs area. If you are connecting onto another flight, we'd like to remind you that any liquids, gel sprays, lotions over 3 ounces must be put in your luggage before rechecking it outside the customs area in the main terminal area, as you will not be able to bring these items through the TSA security checkpoint. On behalf of your entire international MIA-based flight crew, it's been a pleasure serving you. We know you have a choice in air travel. I want to thank you for choosing American Airlines. Have a good day.
Damas y caballeros, bienvenidos a Miami. Por favor, permanezca sentado con su cinturón abrochado hasta que el capitán apague la señal de abrochar su cinturón y el avión se detenga en el edificio de la terminal. Mantenga los pasillos libres de todo equipaje de mano y tenga cuidado al abrir los compartimientos superiores, ya que los objetos en su interior se han desplazado durante el aterrizaje. En nombre de su tripulación con sede internacional aquí en Miami, les damos las gracias por volar con nosotros en el día de hoy.